Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here out of Dallas, Texas. And what you're looking at here, yes, is lead lightning. One more time. And I love promoting this so you guys can get this. It's one of the best marketing systems there is. And you can start with only $7. And I just came on for a few minutes to just let you know I am still excited about lead lightning, and lead lightning is the best. If you want leads, if you want to build your contact list to promote your product or your business opportunity, try lead lightning out. I did, and I'm glad I did. And now I want to show you some results from just using this system. Priceless possibilities. When you see that, you're looking at lead lightning. The beginning of the system is lead lightning, as I was speaking of, but it is the power lead system is the advanced part of it. So this is the leads I've been getting in from lead lightning. Of course, I'm a gold member now. I'm with the power lead system, but you could use lead lightning one time $7, and you get an autoresponder and a capture page that will promote and bring in you leads like this. Anytime you see the number in parentheses, that means that I got that many leads within that day. That's a gold member back in March 22nd. Another gold member, March the 18th. And these members comes in as you promote the system. And I'm going to show you two ways that you can promote this system and your primary business as well. The $6 represent a lead lightning. Anytime someone opts into your page, your lead lightning page, after you paid the $7, and they want to buy the lead lightning part for $7, then you get paid $6. Gold membership, it means that I'm getting paid each and every month. As you can see, I've been earning with this system. That's another lead lightning sign up. Gold members, lead lightning, lead lightning, lead lightning. Just earn from lead lightning again. Right here is lead lightning. Gold member has arrived. Here's a gold member, lead lightning, lead lightning, lead lightning, gold member, and here's a silver member, and it goes on and on. And I even got have recruited a diamond member as well. That's lead lightning, gold member there, lead lightning there, gold member. And I'm not bragging. I'm just showing you how you can do the same thing with this little simple system. And the reason I say it's simple, because it's such a small fee to be so powerful. Here's a silver member here, lead lightning, and all these leads you're looking at before I even go to what I've gotten paid. Look at 42 leads right there, 66 leads right there. I'm building a list. $6 there, lead lightning, new diamond member there, gold member there. So you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. It is up to you to join in with this powerful system. Just $7 and you can get started, and then go over here, how to get started. It's in 3 simple steps. Join our Facebook group and choose the links below to advertise. Advertise your link. After you choose your link, just slam it with traffic. And we have places that we do that as well. We bring traffic to your capture page, or show you how to bring traffic to your capture page. Referral link A is the first link that you look at. This link will represent lead lightning by itself. If you want to promote your primary business, then referral link B is the one to choose and the one to promote. But put your business, your primary business link right here or whatever web page you want to focus on. Put it right here, and you can advertise it through this link here. Messages will go out after. Let me show you how the capture page look. This is how the capture page look, and you will have one just like this when you join up for $7. And once a person put their email address here, then they start receiving messages on your behalf. All right, click on the link below to get started. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a good day or night. Bye-bye.